Okay. Hello.
We're gonna take you off the aircraft.
Meet you at
Yep, you're gonna have to get off the aircraft,
yeah,
okay?
and you're at the, and I compliment you in that way.
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're gonna have to get off the aircraft.
They made us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is, but right now I'm gonna need you...
And that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay, so I'm gonna need you to grab your bag and just step off the aircraft.
And I did not do anything, actually.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever going to put your hands on me.
Grab your bag.
No, I will grab my bag. But you don't want to sit here and say what I have to say to you.
Listen, no one's going to put their hands on you unless you have to.
Yeah, you
grab
won't.
Your bag and just step off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No.
Okay?
You need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do, and if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right? So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say. No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is doing this.
You're gonna get arrested if you do not stop.
I'm already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the aircraft.
Probably already gonna get arrested.
Do you want to get arrested?
I really,
then stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can.
I'm gonna ask you one more time, and then I'm gonna have to put my hands on you. Okay?
For what reason?
Because you're not listening.
Let me ask you that. You're gonna put no. And that's fine. That's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go, Ray. Come on.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am.
What am I doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me? Seriously though, can you tell me that? Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive? Why do you? Seriously though.
Yep. Get him off.
Seriously. Why? Can you just tell me that? Like, I'm actually asking you as a person.
At this point, here's what's happening. They're going to deplane the aircraft. I'm going to take you off the plane.
That was already happening.
And you're going to jail, just so you know.
That was already happening.
It won't happen if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to...
Trust that.
Right now, they're going to deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail, okay? If you do not get up. That's how it's going to work.
Do you feel that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
That's not cool. I want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Hey, get off the plane.
Come on.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna...
Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff. Get off the aircraft.
Can I trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's all we're trying to do.
Do a control situation. If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
We're trying
right? No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain and tell him we need to remove her.
It really is. So that's my rights. Like you need to. No, we're getting to the point where you're not you're not respecting my human rights as a constitution. That's not cool. I didn't do anything that did anything to. No, man, that's not okay, dude. That's not okay. You know it.
29 Central, 10:15.
Why did you have
10:15
power? You represent
Get over here. Up against the wall. You're going to be placed in handcuffs, okay?
I see your phone.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, we tried talking to you.
No, you really didn't. I talked back to you, and I was calm. And you honestly acknowledged me for a moment, and then you didn't.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that. You didn't have to do that like that. It didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with me.
No, man. This shit is fucked up, and you are a part of this system. You do. You looked at me. I saw you look at me in my eyes. That's not real, man. That's
just grab her bag.
Real,
Is her bag on
yeah,
there?
yeah, she had a green backpack.
That's not real, man. I know that's not what you just said. If I got up and walked out and you
You have a vehicle?
Why did you look at me like that? I didn't do anything wrong. I was
Let's
just
go. This way. This way.
fine, man.
We didn't have time to be
Why
playing.
are you doing that? See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up
stop.
No. Why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them?
You had your chance, ma'am.
I had my chance. You didn't even give me a chance. I looked at you in your eyes and I knew you were lying to me. No. Don't. You can't bullshit a bullshitter. That's funny. No. That was the resistance that you felt. No.
I asked you 5 times
better
to get
than
off that
that,
plane.
dude. You're
I asked
better
you
than
5
that. I
times.
saw you outside before I even came in with your mask off. No, you're better than that. That's not
Put it
cool.
in.
That's not cool, dude. It's really not. It's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is not
Cut it out.
no, that's not okay. You're gonna fucking arrest me for what? What are you arresting me for?
Interference with flight operations and trespass after landing. That's what you're getting arrested for. Okay?
You know I'm furious right now.
Yes, we are.
You want to take it to the other side?
We're just gonna pat it
I
down
have
real
a
quick.
fucking cat. I need to get home to. Like, what?
Sergeant, make
He's
sure
gonna
you're
pat
winding
you
your
down.
pants for me, please, all right?
What? I didn't do anything. You're mad. This system is fucked, and you give me all the reasons to keep saying what I say. Like, in the eyes you
Is this
give me,
open or
you
not?
do. Like, really, all of you, you know you're fighting for a system that isn't just to you all. You do. You know that. You know that. You really do. And if you don't, then that's just fucked up. I'm like,
Hey, have a seat.
how?
Watch your head.
Why? Cruel motherfucking.
Yeah, it's been a lot of talk. I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's gonna act now, but she's been chirping the whole time. So we'll see how it goes. All right, ready to step out? Are you gonna comply with everybody?
No, with you two, yes. Not with you, because you're a liar.
Okay.
No, he said literally the reason he has me arrested right now is because you looked at me in my eyeballs. I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You didn't have masks on. No, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say? And then I can say what I have to say, and then that's... I will do what y'all want me to do because I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
No, it's...
Here.
I don't get... It doesn't matter about that. What matters is that you have an unjust officer that's abusing his power, and you need to know that, Timothy.
Hey. Can I
RSW, my mother's a social worker, and you're about to, like, really... Because you made eye contact with me before I ever got on that plane. You acknowledged the fact that you weren't wearing a mask.
Hey.
And then you got on the plane, and then you made eye contact with me, and then you manipulated the situation. No, that's what happened. Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So, I know the...
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Anybody?
No? Yeah?
We're just gonna take them.
No, I'm not complaining, you guys.
Thanks.
Y'all just... And, oh, you think he's cute? Oh, yeah, I thought he was cute, too. I looked in his eyeballs, and I thought he looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Hey.
And this is an abusive
Interference with
officer.
flight
You're no,
operations.
seriously,
Trespassing
please
after
just
warning.
get somebody
Her
to
name
listen to me.
is
Listen to you. What's your name?
Gabrielle.
I don't want to tell you anything until you listen to what I'm saying. That I am being arrested for things that are unjust. I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking my mind. I should not be arrested right now,
Okay,
man.
but right now, we have to follow procedures, and we'll get to the bottom of what's happening.
You're not following my human rights. These are my constitutional procedures, okay? But I need to follow your procedures,
Step out.
right?
Step out. Take your leg out.
Can I have your name, please, first? Can we just adopt something that
Okay.
makes me want to be safe? Why can I not be safe?
Hey,
Why is this like this? This is not my human rights. Stop. I would relax if you would let